Good evening students, welcome to class 6 chemistry IIT class. In the last class we have discussed about concept building sheet, right? Now we will discuss the concept fixing sheet. Okay. If you have books, please open them. So here first question is, which pair of the substance among the following would float in the tumbler half filled with water? What are the substance here which will be floating in the water? Rubber band and coin. Coin sinks in the water. Cotton thread, thermocol. Both of them, first they will be floating, afterwards they will be sinking. Cotton thread will be first of all sinking. Next, pin and oil drops. Pin sinks, oil drop floats. Whereas feather, plastic ball, both of them will be floating. Here they asked both pairs, so you have to answer two. Two things should be correct. So feather will be floating as well as plastic ball also will be floating. And next, which of the following statements is not correct? So which are not correct? Which are correct? The first statement is gold and copper have lusters. Yes, this is true statement. Substance through which things are partially visible or called translucent. This is also true. But what they are asking which are not correct. So a notebook has luster, what eraser does not have. The notebook have luster, does not have luster. So this is a incorrect statement. Next, stone is transparent while the glass is opaque. This is a false statement because stone is opaque and glass is a transparent substance. These are the two statements which are false. C and D. Next, Mahesh and Rohan got a chance to visit a ship, but Mahesh was afraid to go on ship. He said that ship being heavier in weight will sink in the water, but Rohan said it will float on water. With whom do you agree and why? What happens if the sink will be sinking in the ship will be sinking in the water? If it sinks, we do not have water transport at all right now. So it will not be sinking, it floats on the water because of its shape. Because of its ship shape, it floats on the water, it does not sink. Next, complete the following analogy by choosing the correct option. So they gave here luster, gold, and this is made by jewelry. Next, metals. And next is utensils. So here gold shines and with this gold jewelry is made. Here they said that it is a metal and these metals are used to make utensils. So what is the property here? Magnetic, opaque, rough, conduction of heat. So answer is conduction of heat because by heating metals have been made. Yes, sir. By this heating metals are made into different shapes which are called as utensils. An electric iron is made up of combination of what? Electric wire. We know electric wire, current wire, black wires. It is made up of what combination? First, plastic, metal, glass. They have given three options: plastic, metal, glass. In this, which two are used to make the wire? We will see a metal in the middle, copper. Afterwards, it is surrounded by a plastic substance. So it is made up of metal as well as plastic. Next, Mrs. Mohan went to a shop to buy a bowl. She saw 4 balls made up of plastic, metal, glass and propylene. Which one of these balls will be the first one to get scratches during use? She had chosen 4 metals: plastic, metal, glass, propylene. Propylene is one of the metal. So here, just like will be sinks and all those things. So in this, which one gets scratches easily on heating? First thing, plastic. It starts melting, yes or not? That is the reason it gets scratches. Afterwards, metals. And next is, which of the following balls can float on water? They gave here 4 balls. Ping pong ball, it is played like this. Okay. And next is tennis ball, which has divided its parts. Next, cricket ball also have partitions. And next is a golf ball will be having just the curves on it. That's it. Okay, like this. So in these 4 balls, which balls will be floating on the water? Here, these 2 will not float because of their shape, because of their how they are made. Whereas these 2 balls will be float on the water because in the both the balls will be having some empty gaps. Okay, that the empty air that air will be floated, make them to float on the water. Next. So this is a diagram they have given here. Materials are of 4 types. So from these 2 types, this is one substance and this is one substance. From this substance, these materials are made. These things are made. Cardboard. And next is chopsticks. And here, measuring cylinder and camera lens. So what are the materials? By these materials, measuring cylinders and cans are made. By using these materials, cardboard and chopsticks are made. Cardboard and chopsticks are made by the wood. Yes or not? And measuring cylinders as well as cans are made by glass. So it comes under wood and it is glass here. Next, which of the following characteristics is essential for animals which can fly and swim in water? Okay, it can fly in the air, it can swim in the water. It made essential. What are these characteristics to fly and swim in the water? First, compact body, long and tapering body, streamlined body, all of them. Streamlined body because it will be having all those things. It will be having narrow body. Next. Which of the following material is not an animal product? Milk, ivory. Milk is what we get from the cow and buffalo. Ivory product is nothing but elephant's dung, elephant's teeth. Next is cane. Cane is a metal here. Okay, it is not obtained from the substance. So the answer is cane. Sugar cane, do you know? Next. The beakers shown contains, so we have put here 3 beakers. In that we have mixed chalk powder, sand, salt. So in the 3 of them, according to the fastness, which dissolves first. First sand, then chalk powder, then sand. Sand dissolves very fast in the water. Afterwards, chalk powder will take some time, whereas sand does not dissolve at all. Okay. Next. Read the following statements and choose the incorrect statements. Here we have to choose the incorrect statement. First one, a paper weight is hard, it therefore sinks in water. Okay. Cotton is soft, it can be compressed easily. Yes. Butter paper is transparent, things can be clearly seen through it. This is the wrong statement because butter paper is not transparent, it is translucent. Okay, so here things cannot be seen clearly, partially we can see the things. This is an incorrect statement. Which of the following is compressed in nature? Just now I have said cotton is soft, it can be compressed easily, so cotton is the answer. It is compressed easily. Which of the following is not a characteristic features of gas? Gas has definite shape. Gas has definite volume. Will gas has any shape? No. Do it have any volume? No. In particles are closely packed in the gas? No. So these 3 are incorrect statements. Which of the following floats on water? Iron rod, rock, aluminium, cotton. Which floats? All the 3 are metals and hard substance, whereas cotton is a soft substance, it can float on the water. As it cotton absorbs water, it slowly it slowly sinks in the water also if it absorbs water. Next, select the incorrect statement. A window pane may be made up of glass to look through. Yes, window pane will be having glass. A pan made up of steel to cook food. Yes, we use pans or vessels to cook food. A bucket made up of plastic to fill water. Yes, we use plastic buckets. A tumbler made up of cotton cloth to drink water. No, we cannot make tumbler. Can we make tumbler by using cloth? We have discussed in the last class regarding tumbler. Can we make it with the cotton cloth or not? We can make it with only plastic or metal. Next. Anu took a glass beaker and filled it with plain water. She put a silver coin in it and looked the coin from the top of the beaker. Just take a beaker, drop a coin in it in the water of the beaker. What you will be observing? You will be observing that the coin is clearly, we can see the coin clearly. Why? Because water is a transparent substance. Next. Washing powder on stirring disappears in water. This is due to what? What is the characteristics? Transparency, conduction, magnetic property or solubility. It comes under solubility. Okay. This is regarding concept fixing sheet. This is the class for today. In the next class, chance we will be starting another lesson, separation of substances. Thank you.